Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today, in basic science, our topic is on erosion. Okay? Today, in basic science, we are going to be learning about erosion. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are, right? Good. First, we are going to be looking at the meaning of erosion. Erosion is the process by which soil, rocks, and other earth materials are gradually worn away and moved from one place to another by natural forces like wind, water, and ice. Okay? Erosion is when things like soil and rocks are slowly worn away and moved by wind, water, or ice over a long time. It's like nature reshaping the Earth's surface. Do we understand that? Erosion means the gradual wearing away and moving of soil and rocks by wind, water, and ice. Okay? We now know the meaning of erosion, right? Good. So we are going to be looking at the effects of erosion. The effects of erosion. It's referred to the changes and problems that happen because of erosion. It means what happens as a result of erosion. Okay? Loss of soil. Erosion can lead to the loss of valuable topsoil, which is essential for plant growth and farming. Erosion can wash away valuable soil used for farming, making it harder to grow plants and crops. Do we understand that? It can make soil disappear, which is bad for farming. Okay? Changes in landscapes. It can shape and change landscapes, creating valleys, canyons, and coastlines. It can create new features in the land, like valleys, canyons, coastlines, by wearing down rocks and soil. It changes how the land looks by creating valleys, canyons. Sedimentation. Erosion can deposit sediments in rivers, lakes, affecting water quality and aquatic habitats. Erosion can make rivers and lakes dirty with mud, affecting water quality and harming aquatic life. It makes rivers and lakes dirty with mud. Environmental damage. It can harm habitats, disrupt ecosystems, and impact wildlife. It can damage habitats where animals and plants live, making it tough for them to survive. It can hurt nature by damaging homes for animals. Human impacts. Erosion can damage property, infrastructure, and even archaeological sites. Damage to homes and things we build. Erosion can harm houses, roads, and other structures, costing money to fix. Erosion can harm our homes and things we build. So these are the effects of erosion. Okay? Control of erosion. Controlling erosion means finding ways to stop or reduce the wearing away of soil and rocks by wind, water, and ice. Planting vegetation. Planting grass, trees, or shrubs can help hold soil in place with their roots. So planting trees, grass, can hold the soil in place. Building structures. Using barriers like retaining walls, terraces, and dikes can prevent the movement of soil and water. Using barriers like walls or rocks to stop soil from moving. Contour farming. Plowing and planting along the natural contours of the land can reduce erosion. Planting crops in a special way on hills to prevent erosion. Managing water. Proper drainage systems and sediment basins can control water erosion. Making good drains and traps for mud to keep it from flowing away. Conservation practice. Implementing erosion control practices like no-till farming and crop rotation can protect the soil. Using farming practices like not plowing all the time and changing crops to protect the soil. These methods help keep the land safe and healthy. Using these methods help keep the land safe and healthy. Planting grass and trees. Building walls or barriers can stop soil from moving. Planting crops in special way on hills can reduce erosion. Making good drains. Farming without plowing all the time and changing crops can protect the soil. Okay? Do we understand? Good. So we understood today's lesson on erosion, right? We talked about the meaning of erosion. We said it's when soil or rocks are slowly worn away by wind, water, or ice. And we talked about the effects of erosion. We talked about the effects of erosion, right? And we have also talked about how to control erosion. Did we? We now know various ways to control erosion. Good. So understanding these concepts helps us take care of our environment and protect the land we live on. So we now know about erosion. Next, we are going to be looking at our assignment. It's easy, right? Good. So I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment. That's good.